up, y'all? Back with another video. This is a part 2 from the last video. This video is rebuilding my SRT Jeep. I watched the last video. As you can see, we picked it up from Copart. It's a stolen recovery. I guess they got into an accident. Must have got into a police chase, that's what I'm assuming, and wrecked it, and obviously couldn't drive no more. So yeah, I'm about to rebuild it. I already got all the parts, and yeah, I'm about to start a tear down for y'all right now. So yeah, from looking at it, all it really needs is 2 doors, fender, and from what I've seen so far without taking off the wheels, it looked like the lower control arm is broken and the axle is broken. I'm hoping that's about it, but let's see it. Like I said, let's tear it down. I do need 2, maybe 1 rim. This rim don't seem bad at all. It just obviously curved up, but that rim is like missing chunks, so I am gonna replace that one. Not too sure. I might be able to save this, depending if it's not bent or anything. So if anything, I'll just refinish it.
Hey, I get in that mode, can't hear nobody but myself. I was feeling
having a little hard time taking out that lug nut. But let's just see what we need. Cook this, y'all. Honestly, it just needs lower control arm, axle, and tie rod.
Hopefully nothing is bent.
I'm gonna have a hard time taking this off right now. Who y'all think we got here? Mello and the 2 boys. They subscribers, man. What's your name?
What's up to the YouTube?
What's your name?
Xavier.
Xavier. What's your name?
Carmelo.
Carmelo Jr. You don't want to say nothing else? You shy?
Got Mello here. Save the day.
Trying to. When's a little trash? Damn it. It's because of the plastic piece.
Well, they're supposed to be just for this. When you try and break them off, they spin. Just keep spinning until it just breaks off.
It's over.
6.5 hours later.
There we go.
Bro, nothing look bent in the frame, bro.
Bro, literally, look where the where the suspension mount to the lower control arm. That's where it snapped out clean.
So
Lower control arm, axle, tie rod, sway bar.
sway bar link, yeah. I don't think the fork bent, none.
No, look.
Whole lot better than the Durango.
How are we looking on this one? So still.
Some money right here.
You gonna leave the car there?
Nothing is bent, bro. Nothing.
Okay, perfect. Alright, we'll be there soon.
Maybe some brake lines, maybe from like the wheel hitting. Yeah, bro. Inner outer tie rod, sway bar link, and a lower control arm and an axle. Hell yeah.
busy. I ain't see the phone ringing on your text. I tell them no, it be like they couldn't wait to call me selfish. What the fuck you do for me? Ain't nobody here.
Let's go! Oh, don't listen to this. Don't listen to this. Woo. Let's go! Start. That's all that matters. All right, let's take these jump box on little by little. Told you, the double cables always work. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up the door. There's the SRT door. Shit cool. Fender. Picked up a rear door as well. He about to bring me the flare to the fender. So like I said, man, over here we move fast. I'm gonna show you how to rebuild the Jeep SRT less than 24 hours. So I'm just gonna need a little body work right there, but it's cool. That's light stuff. Just load this up and get out of here. We're in a little time crunch today. I'm actually making a quick stop to Walmart. Right there, you can see. Since I'm already up here, I'm close by, so I'm just stop by Walmart, get some oil. You know, we're not going to AutoZone because, you know, they be heavy tax. Do a quick oil change real quick. Hopefully that tick go away. But if not, doing cans and lifted, boys. So guys, we went with 1040 Mobile 1. So Mopars require 040, but since we do got that little, you know, that little valve tap, we're gonna try to go with thicker oil and see if like that helps it out. If not, then you already know what we gotta do. I told you already. So I'm about to check out and see you at the garage. Just got to the garage with a new door. I throw it on, but before we throw it on, let me go take this tire, get a new tire real quick. I do need a new tire for the rear as well. Oh, actually, this rear. Nah, I think I'm just getting a whole new rim. This is done right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna just get a new rim for this one. So I'm gonna hit up my boy around, but right now I can't even take it out. I got the wheel lock on there. The car currently didn't have a wheel lock. Let me go get this tire replaced before it get dark and be right back. This tire right here, man, this joint was treated on both sides. Got a new tire put in now, so they only had one tire, so gotta get another tire somehow, or I might just get a rim. Hopefully it come with a tire. One thing about me, I'm very impatient, so I don't like to sit around and wait on people. So I'm gonna try to put this door on myself. I don't know if my stand that. It is pretty heavy. Yeah, almost there, y'all. Only reason why this is like that because I don't got the fender bracket. So once I get the fender bracket, it's gonna line up perfectly. Everything's all lining up. This fender has a little kink right here, so I'm gonna have a body guy pull it and redo it real quick. And other than that, everything lines up perfect. Like body lines is actually great. So yeah, the hood closed, everything. Other than that, we're golden. Let's pick the side skirts up, door, everything. Door brackets in there just in case. I'm gonna have them line it up. If it need a hinge, you just got a hinge right there. But yeah, I'm gonna have most likely this no paint chip right here. So I have a PDR guy just pull that out. Yeah. Got the axle and the lower control arm in. Brand new. Where's the old shit at? Yeah, I see that arm right there. Look at this arm. Snapped in here. This is the tie rod. This when she started licking on your neck. This how the original was look. There you go. Started. Do that. I'm about to go put the oil filter back on. Do an oil change. You know, I do all the hard stuff, and they do all the little knick-knack stuff. Everything is on. So the axle was wrong. That's why we got no axle in there right now. But tie rod's in. Sway bar link, lower control arm, all in. So we just got to return that axle and get a new axle. Oh yeah, so we did get it out the garage. We had to rush because I was blocking the road. So yeah, we do got her on the street right now. Apparently missing an axle, so and I just took the flare off. It was leaking coolant. The radiator hose got caught to that right there, so that busted all out. But yeah, we about to go on the test ride real quick. Oh shit, let's see how that goes. Yeah, I'm gonna pull her off the trailer and test drive. We going to jail. We got no license plate, no nothing. Yeah, flat tire. John Deere, bro.
It feels good, feels real good.
So yeah, I did see the drive. Flat tire, we forgot all about that, so we about to try to put the spare on real quick. So I did pick up this rim earlier today. I didn't put that. Yeah, I just picked up this rim. That's kind of smaller tire than what how to drop tires. This was chewed up, yo. Look at that. It's trying to chewed up. Still who it is, though. So the tire's still good, but this joint just chewed up. SRT bumper, doors, yeah, we almost ready. Almost ready, almost there. But yeah, that's the car. I mean, that's the parts. I mean, my bad, not the car. This is the car. Got the doors off, obviously, because he's painting it. Gonna line the door up better for me too, and all the little stuff right there. I'm pretty sure. I didn't even realize that that glass was broken until like after everything, so I still need a glass for that. But yeah, car about to come together. So he said pick up by Friday. He's gonna put everything together and paint the rest of the little stuff. So probably by tomorrow night, it'll be done. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. And he's gonna paint that too. Match that. Yeah, that's pretty much it, yeah. He just loaded the Durango, as you can see. On the way to go pick up the Jeep now. So yeah, we dropping the Durango off, picking up the Jeep. So drop one off, pick one up. But I'm on my way there now, so I'll be there in about 20 minutes. And yeah, I'll show you when we get there. Let's pull it up, about to unload. I see the loading process all the time, so like I said, I'm not gonna keep showing y'all the same thing. Start the car. Keys. John's a beast.
I get in that mode, can't hear nobody but myself. I was feeling helpless, why the fuck?
Big car basically done. He just gotta finish putting it together. We just painted the flare. As you can see, it was all scratched up here. He got that painted for me. I guess they busted this back window and they changed it, and this was silver, so he painted that for me. Painted the whole front bumper. He just threw it on. Front bumper and this whole side. Yeah. Yeah, man, car looking good. Got the rim on. As you see, I got the black rim on, so all three rims is silver and one is black. Getting it painted too, obviously soon. I just wanted to find one more rim before I get it all painted, so it'll just be a fresh set. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Got the door panels in here now, and like I said, got this done in less than 24 hours. But right after this, I'm dropping it off to my boy Mello. He's about to service it, make sure everything is good. As you see earlier, we are missing the axle because the axle that came in was the wrong size. So he got the axle already. He got the hose as well. So that's what I'm gonna drop it off to him for. Let him get the hose. So figure everything, do it all the service, make sure everything is like, up to par before I start driving it. get the axle put in and do the alignment. And right after that, we should be ready. Then I'll probably get the whole car wet sand and buff so, you know, it can look better. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna wrap up the video here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Do for me. Ain't nobody help me get through all this shit I got through but me. 4 seconds left, we down 2. I'ma shoot the 3 and max. True religion jeans.